Let us understand today the box-whisker plots, so which is one of the data displays in statistics. So in the topic of median, so this kind of displays generally we see in the share market, the up and down growth of the shares. So are represented with the box-whisker plots even today. So the box-whisker plot shows the variability of data set along the number line. So it is just like a number line we will show. Using the least value, using the five things we represent this. Okay. So the first five things are here. The five things we need to understand. The one is the very first one is the least value of the data. And the second one is the greatest value. And the third one is the median. And the fourth one is the lower quartile. And the fifth one is upper quartile. And these five elements we need to draw the box whisker plot. So let us understand how to draw it using by taking one example here. Say this. The question is make a box whisker plot that represents the ages of the members of a backpacking expedition in the mountains. So some people are going for trekking here. Okay. So the very first thing, the data we need to write in ascending order, as just you do in finding the median, the same way we need to find, before finding, we need to write the data in ascending order. So the least value among this is here 18. The next one is like 22. There are two 22s. Okay. 22, 22. Okay. And then again 24 here. So just underline them. So to avoid the confusion, then again you have two, one, two, three 25s. And then you have 27 and 28 here. And then you have 30, 30, 33, 30s are there. So just to whether all the numbers you have noted or not, just check it out. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers are there here. Okay. And then is the same number are there here or not? Just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So we have taken all the values. Now let us see how to find the median from this. Step 2, we will find out the median, least value, highest value. Okay, highest value, least value, easy. This is 18 is the least value, the first one. The 30 is the highest value. And what about the median? There are 12 numbers here. The 12 numbers. So the middlemost is 6th and 7th. Okay. So there are two middlemost values. So the median, to find the median generally, we find the middlemost values. If it is the total number is even, there will be two middlemost values. If it is number of data is odd, you will get only one middlemost value here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th. Here these two comes under the median, and the average of these two is 25, which is known as the median. And now you have the least value, you have the highest value. So among the five elements, we have three now. So what about the quartile 1 and quartile 3? So that is lower and upper quartiles. How do you find the lower and upper quartiles? Divide the total data into two equal halves from 18 to 25, 25 to 30. That means first six numbers, first half, next six numbers, second half. Here, among the first six, again find the median. So that is the two middlemost values. Again, the average is 23, which is known as the quartile 1. And from the second half, again, two middle, okay, the median, you should find the median, and that is 29, which is known as quartile 3 or upper quartile. Okay, so let us list out the things now what we have written. Okay, so the first one, the least value. So I am just listing out all the three in the step 3. So the least value is 18. Okay, highest value is 30. Okay, median is 25. Okay, and the quartile 1 or the lower quartile is 23, and upper quartile Q3 is 29. So after finding all these 5 elements, let us draw the big box whisker plot. Now we have these 5 elements. Draw a number line for this first. Let us choose a different color here. Draw a number line. So here, what is the least value? It's 18. Highest value, 30. So totally the range is 12. There are 12 numbers here. So you can take scaling like only 1, 1. So the least value I'm writing here, 18. And the highest value there it will be, okay, this is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 is here. Okay, so let me write all the numbers. Right. Now, at the least value, put a dot mark, and also at the highest value, put a dot mark. Now, what is a Q1? Q1 is 23. 23. At 23, here, at 23, just draw a line like this. And at 29, Q3, also draw a line like that. And join them. That's a box. And from the box, join these two dots. And now what about the median? We need to join the median also. Here the median is 25, which is here. That's a median. So the total, all the values are, we have noted down. So this is the least value, which is 18, a highest value, which is 30, and median, which is 25 here, and the quartile 1, the lower quartile is 23, and the upper quartile is Q3 is 29. So this is the box whisker plot. Hope you understand.